That wind is back. Take a look. We have a weather impact alert for strong winds late morning on Thursday, extending through the evening, 40 to 50 mile per hour wind gusts possible. This will lead to difficult high-profile vehicle travel in a crosswind scenario. So take care of yourself. Wind advisory in place for most of central Iowa. Winds are going to be picking up around 10 a.m. and gusting 40 to 50 miles per hour. There may be a couple of isolated gusts even stronger. All right, watch these gusts tick upwards. A strong push of this colder air arriving as we go through the late morning into the afternoon. You see commonly into that 40 to 50 mile per hour wind range, slowly easing up as we go past sunset. Now, there is enough of a disconnect here between the rain in the morning and that strongest push of colder air. I'm not expecting icing situations, but from a wind standpoint, look for some difficult travel on the roads.